There are countless reasons to join Maid Right. And one of those is that we were just ranked with Entrepreneur Magazine, one of the fastest growing franchises in North America.
My husband and I, we've been looking for different franchise opportunities for about 2 years. I wasn't a big fan of working after 5 and doing the weekend thing. So when I saw that Maid Right gave me an opportunity to work Monday through Friday during normal business hours, essentially with the same business model, that's what drove me to pursue that opportunity.
The most powerful part of joining a brand is lifestyle. As you can tell, we're very focused on improving people's lives, and that's what business is about.
My last position, I was working probably 14-hour days, so it didn't leave a lot of time for me to really interact with my family, to go to the gym, to cook a lot. I didn't do a whole lot of those things.
What we're starting to see are more people telling us, I need to be off at 3 o'clock, I'm gonna go to a dance recital, a soccer game.
My son, TJ, he wanted to play sports. He participates in basketball now because I can arrange my schedule to do that. It helps us in every area of our lives. It helped me be a better time manager. It's taught me to budget. I can project what my income would be per month.
We make it easy for first-time business owners to join. Number one, very low investment. Secondly, we manage a lot of risk. We do the estimates, we do all the advertising. We're always in the field supporting them.
What I really liked about Maid Right is I wasn't by myself. You had a whole network, a whole team to help you.
If a prospective business owner comes to us with a great attitude, incredible work ethic, the ability to provide a high level of customer service, we'll take care of the rest.
Even securing new business, new customers, all of that is done by Maid Right.
Most people who come to us have no industry experience at all, so we teach them how to become a professional cleaner in a very short period of time. Once we award the franchise, then we schedule training. We have a very comprehensive training program. It begins with how to be a business owner. It ends with how to be a cleaner for the long term.
It has a very quick turnaround. Once you look at their business model and you decide that this is what you want to do, you can be in business within a matter of 2 or 3 weeks. At 5 weeks, I had already hit that total revenue that I was expecting.
No one is doing this. Multicolored microfibers, electrostatic sprayers, disinfecting, HEPA backpack vacuums. No one is going to the marketplace that way. I've seen our business owners' lives change right in front of my eyes in a very short period of time. I've seen our business owners moving into nicer, newer neighborhoods. I've seen people buying, cars. But I think that the most important moment for me is watching our business owners come in with their children, and you can see that admiration in the child. I'm very proud of my parent. I'm looking up to you. You're doing something with your life. You're doing something powerful, meaningful, and I admire that. And to me, that's life-changing.
It just helps me dream. It makes me feel really good. I feel like I can accomplish anything, not because I'm just dreaming, but it's actually a possibility. It's actually doable. I can do it.
Between the owner-operator business model, the systems and tools and the processes that we've employed, it's an unparalleled consumer experience. That's where we're growing.